August month club activities. We have donated 37 boxes containing of blankets, bed sheets, pillows to 37 old age peoples in Annayar Orphanage Home, Perumanallur. We partially removed the Julia flora trees in Chittambalam Panchayat Pond with our rotary JCB machine and rehabilitated the waterways and covered the soil around the lake. In rural areas such as Mangalam, Kaniyambundi, Samandambalayam, Pudupalayam and Pumalur, all areas were sprayed with disinfectant in a rotating manner. We organized a review meeting to install 4 community-based new Rotary clubs in the area of Malaikoil. On the day, we selected young peoples who are all eager to serve the people with our new Rotary clubs. We sponsored a day food to old age peoples in Annayar Orphanage Home, Perumanallur. Distribution of 50 bed sheets organized in Pallipalayam Government Primary Health Center. On the occasion of World Breastfeeding Week, we organized awareness seminar on breastfeeding and distribution of nutrition food to pregnant women at Government Primary Health Center located at Pallipalayam in Pumalur village. More than 65 pregnant women were who participated in the event. For the request of Rotary Goolalur Valley, we organized a review meeting for collect and distribute Nilgiris flood relief materials on behalf of all Tirupur region Rotary clubs. All Rotary clubs of Tirupur region jointly collected and distributed Nilgiris flood relief materials at West Rotary Hall. Totally 400 bags were packed with necessary relief materials and we distributed to 400 families who are all affected in this flood. With the help of JCB, arrangements were made to remove Juliflora trees, bushes and set up pits for planting tree saplings in areas like Sengalipalayam, Samathapuram and Vadagapalayam section near Tekkalur. Also cleaned water resources area to store rainwater. Rehabilitation of streams and canals from Agraharaputtur to Malaikoil. Arrangements were made to remove and clean the Juliflora plants and bushes on both sides of the road from Chinnaputtur to Malaikoil Temple Arch. Youth volleyball tournament was jointly organized with Chinnaputtur Youth Associations at Bhadragaliyamman Temple grounds in Agraharaputtur on 74th Independence Day of India. On Independence Day, we distributed sweets in Vallala Orphanage Home and provided food to them on behalf of our Rotary. The new flagpole was erected on celebration of 74th Independence Day at our West Rotary Hall. National flag hoisted by President Rotarian V. Raghupati. The medical equipments were handed over to Tirupur District Siddha Medical Officer Marthuvar C. Dhanam to prevent and treat the public peoples from COVID-19. The first board meeting on West Rotary Medical Trust held at Kandasamy Counter, Rajamal Marriage Hall, 63 Valambalayam. CMA Karvelam trees on both sides of the road from Perumambalayam to Kanakambalayam were cleared and the lanes were laid to allow the streams to pass. Face masks were distributed to the employees working in 31 Grama Panchayats under Avinashi Union. Organized formation of new Rotract Malaikoil and new RCC of Malaikoil, which is community based on the Malaikoil temple on behalf of our West Rotary. Inaugurated Bhumi Puja for the cleaning and erection of wire fence in 10.5 acres of land owned by Kulandai Velayirasamy Hill Temple. We have organized laying foundation stone of Global Grant Project of Tirupur West Rotary Trust Hospital at cost of Rs 5 crore in Agraharaputtur, Mangalam. 3 puddles at Pallipalayam village was cleared with our JCB machine and Juliflora trees were removed in the surrounding areas. We built a shed with a seating capacity of 40 people in Pallipalayam Government Primary Health Center, Pumalur village. The grill gate was built for the safety of Pumalur village, Pallipalayam Government Primary Health Center for Maternal and Child Care Center. Mega new members induction ceremony organized in our West Rotary Hall. On that day, we inducted 62 new members to our Rotary, and now the current total membership strength is 202. Thank you for watching our presentation.